Blessed love, everyone. Welcome back to another edition of My Opinion. And this is your boy, DJ Blue, the crazy one in the building. So, right now, my discussion for today is going to be about why do people visit Jamaica? But before we go into that, I'm going to ask you, please, to subscribe and check out the rest of my playlist, the remix playlist, the Vibes in the Hill playlist, and also the interview playlist. There's a lot of artists, new and old, that I have been interviewing for the past few months. Check it out, like it, share it, check out my production also. Team Blue, go to our website, check it out, support the team, listen to the radio station, buy a shirt, support the team, support the dream, so we can go on further and make the thing a real possibility. Understand me? But today is the day we're going to be talking about why does people or do people visit Jamaica? And the question is to each and every one of the Jamaicans, have you ever sit and thought about it before? Because when I speak to few people, they have a lot of opinion about, oh, you should not speak patois. Oh, you should try to speak English, perfect English. You should proper up and fix up, and you should not be yourself, but you should be someone else. This is one of the reasons why people come to Jamaica, because of the rich language that we have. But at the same time, our people are trying to forget the rich language. This language is not being taught in school. Someone else's language is being taught in school. The world come to Jamaica just for this language, to hear we talk, to hear we vibes and hear what we are say. People like I say, people come to Jamaica just for that. But we Jamaicans are people that are educated by the book and are following a different tradition, are telling you to forget your own. And people, the world, is coming, are good at Jamaica, go get the patois. Jamaica is getting rid of the music, the culture, the vibes, while other people taking on the music, the culture, the vibes in other places. And you are trying to be like them, and they're trying to be like you. They're using everything that we do to make money, while you're chastising and banning everything that we do. You're, they're killing our culture in our own country. But why do people go to Jamaica or visit Jamaica? Why do you have a lot of tourism? Why does people or do people go to this beautiful island, Jamaica? Because of what? Our proper English speaking, our renowned technologists, our renowned doctors and lawyers, and people just want to go there and see these people, you know? No. Same chat bad people they want to talk about. Him chat body, him can't learn English. And you know the funniest thing, people? When them tell you that, yo, you should speak proper English and all of them something, right? And them go abroad, and anybody that speaks proper English, them boss, them manager, whatever you want to put it, those people in power, yeah, get them upset, disrespect them, treat them a certain kind of way. Do you think they would curse them off in proper English so they could understand what they're saying to them? But no, these Jamaicans don't curse them people off in a proper English. Them go back to the same dirty old patois when them might tell you, say, yo, you know if you speak. Him can't bring himself like a better. No, people can see it. Oh, the dirty Rasta boy with the dirty head. And them make people know about Jamaica. Look how him get him now the money. Look how him foot them nasty. Him same one come and run the fastest in Jamaica. In the whole world. And make people know about Jamaica. The same little dirty Rasta man make people know about Jamaica. The same little boy when I gone away in a life and walk on thief and beg and now become an artist. I used to walk on self-figure art, buckle and now become an artist. Them make people know about Jamaica. But we're not talking about crime today. Crime is not the thing. But look at the things why people know about Jamaica. The music, the culture, the food. Think about it. Why lose your culture to please who or to be like someone else? Why does people come to Jamaica? So leave your comment, drop a comment below, and if you want to be a part of the discussion, you can also email us. Drop a comment, subscribe, tell me what you think, why people come to Jamaica. See you next time. Thank you for watching. My opinion. Gone!